What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool product that Campos has thought of and brought up. There's kind of a gap in the market of really quality, affordable end links for the MR2. So, Campos has made these. These things are beefy. And I'll show you in comparison to what I have before. The Wilhelm Raceworks end links, they're great end links, very high quality. But I was actually bending them. Yes, they were installed properly, but I had some issues bending them on track. Wilhelm makes great products, so this is definitely not a shot to him or anything like that. Definitely check out his brake brackets, which I have, his roll center adjusters, all that stuff. He makes very great parts that have real research into them. These do too, though. And so the cool thing about these is they have Heim joints with dust boots. Locking nuts on there so they don't come off. Of course, they're double adjustable. You know, you can right hand thread and left hand thread. These are the rears. They're a lot shorter. Now, I don't have a rear sway bar, so I'm obviously not going to be able to install these. The process is the same. Of course, this is going to vary for a lot of people based on what kind of coilovers you have. I have stance coilovers that are custom, so the way my end link pickup is going to be a little bit different than most of you guys, so that's something to watch out. A lot of you guys have the BC coilovers, and I'll show you exactly where on the BC coilovers where they mount. It's a little different than mine, so kind of disregard that as we go through the installation process. So here's a comparison between the two end links. This is the Wilhelm end link. Great quality again. It's pretty small, pretty thin. In comparison, there's no dust boots on the Heim joints, so they got a little hard to move. These have only been on the car for like a year. Again, I don't care what anyone says, do not take this out of context. This is not a shot at Wilhelm's products. Alex is great, his products are great. I'm just showing you guys something different, something new. So, pretty good quality. I'm gonna go ahead and get the car up off the ground. And yeah, start working on this. Excuse my rusty rotors. When I said things are a little different for me, also excuse the bent rod. Anyway, for most people, like if you have BCs, your mount's gonna be like right here. I mean, obviously in there, but like right here. Mine is actually in the shop tower, like the body, and mounted here. So preload's taken off. Preload is taken off, as you can see. I mean, it's in the right spot. Everything's good. This is just how I have it set up. These coilovers are custom, so sometimes things like this happen, and it's fine. This is how I run it. Again, you guys probably aren't gonna run it like that, and you're gonna have it like right here if you have BCs. So I'm gonna get this one off and then put the new one on and show you. It's very easy to adjust as well. So when you go to install these, it's the same way. I mean, if you already have end links on there before, you know, you can certainly match the like length. But what we're gonna do, what you do is these are both opposite. These are both opposite threads, so the camera focuses. So you thread this way to come out on this one, and the other way to go in, or out on that one. So right and left hand thread. So what you do is you pick where you want it. For example, let's say you mount it on like that, and you want to tighten it. You tighten down these like lock nuts to lock in the spot, and there it is. Now if you want to move it, you loosen the lock nuts and take a wrench and you just turn this. Depending on the way that you turn it, it'll shorten or lengthen the rod end. So I'll put this on and show you guys. One thing I do have to do And I'm almost positive, like no one other than like if you have these coilovers, these stance coilovers, then you won't have to do this. I had to do it with the Wilhelm ones as well, so it's not a Campos one unique like issue. This hole here, I have to drill it out a little bit, like open it up a little bit, because I don't mount these out here, because when you turn, it will rub up against the inside of the wheel well. I put mine in here, like this. The issue is, these are big. They're big boys, so that hole needs to come out a little bit so I can slip it through. So I'm gonna drill that out real quick and then show you guys once it's installed. Alright, so this is everything installed. Very nice and tight. We just lock these down. Everything's in, lock washers. It's super tight. It still articulates enough. I'm pretty excited to see how this feels. I will let you guys know in a couple weeks, well, when I actually drive the car in a couple weeks, exactly how it feels. But for now, very simple, easy install. And again, for comparison, so you see the two next to each other. 9-day difference. Much thicker. Bigger joints, dust boots. So, it's like first impression, very good. I like this stuff. So definitely check out more of Campos' products. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. We're going to be installing more Campos things. We have the Assport engine lid coming up, so I'm super hyped to pop that in and show you guys how to install it. We have a couple more parts that are coming, so stay tuned. Peace.